Hello everyone, how are you? Today I'll learn you how to log in your WordPress. So you remember last time we have made one website, so we first log in. See, why our browser not working? Because first we need to go our XAMPP folder. Okay, open your XAMPP and first start your Apache and again MySQL. Once you done it, go to your browser and type localhost slash WordPress. This is your folder name. WordPress WP admin. Okay, that website for login our account which we have make. Enter. See, remember me and login. Okay, this is our site before we have make. Okay, once again we will log out our account. Click the logout. Our account is logged out already. Make a new window and close it. When you not on the XAMPP, you can't log in. So our XAMPP is working already. Minimize it. Go to our browser and localhost slash WordPress slash WP admin. Enter. Okay, now you asking to me what is the WordPress, why we are type there WordPress. I tell you why we are WordPress. Go to your PC, local disk. See, this is our XAMPP folder. Okay, this is our XAMPP folder. When we have made the website, so in htdocs, that htdoc folder, we will make one folder there and we call this name WordPress, but I not make it, just for teach you. Delete it, and that is our folder WordPress. That is our folder. Our all website data including login, that is our data. So we must need to mention the WordPress name after we are easily log in. So we are go to our browser, open it, localhost slash WordPress slash WP admin. Enter, and that is our remember me and login. Our site is working. That is our home page.